you ever wanted to set up your very own dressage arena? Even if you don't ride dressage, it might be helpful for you to have the dressage letters in your riding arena. And since I have my riding arena all completed, I want to add some dressage letters that I bought last year so I can put them up this year and use them in my arena. Hi again, it's me, Lisa, the Budget Equestrian. Welcome back to my channel. And if this is your first time here, dressage letter welcome. So like I was saying in the beginning of this video, even if you don't ride dressage like on an everyday basis, it can be really helpful to have the letters like these in your arena. And you might be thinking, why would I need dressage letters in my arena? But if you're riding with a trainer, or even if you just want to remember a pattern or something that you're riding in, the letters can help you distinguish what you're going to do at the next letter. So for example, at C, you're going to begin posting trot. Or at A, you're going to transition to a walk. At K, you're going to begin your 2-point. There's a lot of different things that you can do with the dressage letters, not necessarily related to dressage. Of course, if you do ride dressage, then yes, you will want dressage letters in your arena. You might be wondering which letters go where and how far apart do the letters go when you're setting up your arena. That's what I'm going to do today. So we're going to kind of walk down the lines of my riding arena and we're going to set up the dressage letters. So to begin with, you want to make sure your arena is going to be the right size, which for me, it's going to be in feet because I'm not really good with metric measuring. So meters is really difficult for me. So my riding arena would be considered a short dressage arena. So my arena is not quite like a dressage arena because my short side is 80 feet wide and the long side about 200 feet long. So it's not going to be a regulation dressage arena, but I do want to keep the letters somewhat similar so that way I can use it as a reference point around my arena. So how about we do that? So these are the letters that I got at Dover Saddlery. They had them on sale and I got a set of 8 of them for, it was like 50 bucks. So that was a pretty good deal. And they had them in the store, so I did not have to pay for shipping, which was even better. And since I have the letters, now I need to figure out where they're going to go. I know that C and A go at the ends of the arena. So those are easy. So let's do those right now. C and A. Okay, so I have A and C set up. So now I just got to set up the remaining letters that I have. And this was a set of 8 letters. So that means I have 3 letters for the long side here. And I have 3 letters for the long side over there. So what I did was set the letters up of how they're going to be in the arena. And this is going in accordance with a regular dressage arena, even though this is not a dressage arena. So we have K, E, and H are going to go on this long side. And on the other side, it'll be F, B, and M. All right, so this long side is done. We have K, E, and H down there on the other end. And I did bring my tape measure out just in case because I thought I was going to measure it off. But instead what I did was just put the letters, I counted the posts and then put the letters 6 posts apart to keep them equal. And like I said, it's not a regulation or a real dressage arena. I just want to use the letters to give me reference points in the arena. And hopefully it's similar, although I know it's not going to be exact, but it does give me reference points. So now we just have the other long side left to do. And the letters are F, B, and M. So let's go put them in the ground. right, so I have my dressage letters all laid out. This will give me reference points around my arena, so I'm working with my horses. Then I can do things like, you know, starting at A, going to B, I'm going to do a 2-point position. Or from A to C, I'm going to stay cantering or be on the correct diagonal, whatever you want. That's what is so much fun with putting these letters up around my arena. And hopefully it gives you guys some ideas of things that you can do around your arena with your horse too. It'll keep your training fresh, and it'll give you something to focus on and setting goals for you and your horse when you're riding. Pretty fun, don't you think? Thank you so much for watching my video today. I'd love to have you subscribe to my channel. Just click on my picture, my picture. At the end of this video, you can subscribe to my channel and watch all my DIY videos. Again, thanks for watching, and until next time, stay passionate and enjoy your ride.